Well guys, welcome back to Freak Fishing and welcome back to an unfamiliar site. So today I have my well used and well caught lures. So as you can see, all these have damage on them, including my brand new roach. So today I've seen a few of you asking how do you fix the lures. So this is my favourite way of fixing the lures. You can use super glue and all, but if you put super glue, just say in here, it'll make that part very hard, and slowly but surely after time it'll kind of make it fairly rigid. So instead of moving like that, it'll kind of stay a lot stiffer. So this is my way. It saved me a lot of money through the years, and it's very simple to do. All you need is a soldering iron, and literally what you do is you hold the crack closed. So you hold it closed and you literally just melt it together, and it shouldn't be too hard to just get it back in half working order at all. Like once it dries again, you're good to go. So let's get it going. So first things first, I think we'll do the worst one first. We'll start with maybe a simple one actually. We'll just go with this bit. So as you can see, it's cut there. So I'm going to just put it together. Now make sure your fingers aren't behind it. We'll put it together and literally just melt away and then close it back together. That's pretty much it. It's a very simple way to fix lures. So if you just actually put it straight down, close it over again, and there we have it. Simple as that. So we just go with here again, put that closed, stuff's quite bad, so just make sure you have the door open and you're well ventilated. So there we go. And we just do this bit next. Fairly simple. Just again guys, watch your fingers. So now before I even got my hand to it, it was setting again. So it's not the neatest job just there. We'll just hold it. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke there, so make sure you're not in a closed room or whatever. So we'll just hold that like that for a few minutes and just see what that holds like, and then we can keep going over it and strengthening what we've done. Now, that's it hardening now. Brilliant. So there's that. So, in fact, see the way that's not fully happy with that there. So I might melt that bit down. Now, and we'll just let that set. And that will be the roach fixed, or fairly fixed. Like that'll give me confidence again in pretty much having not a brand new lure, but something very similar. As you see, that bit fixed, that bit fixed. I don't want to put it too hard, just in terms of it's still a bit soft or warm, do you know what I mean? So actually, see them bits there, it might be an idea to fix them. Now just kind of pretty much melting the inside of it, and that'll keep it closed. Just close it on itself, and that should sit lovely again, and it's ready for more big pike. This has caught me more pike than any other lure, I think. I absolutely love it, and for a lure this size, it only sits maybe 15, or not 15, 10 foot above the or down, so it's not a very deep lure considering the size of it. So look at, there we go, we've lost that before we could fix it. So there we have it, guys. We fixed this fella up lovely. There was a big rip there, these were in tatters and they're not now. There's loads of holes there, and loads of rips and even there's the last one that's not really coming apart. Well, it is, but we'll just redo it. And what I'm doing is I'm just melting just enough so you're not disturbing the lure too much in terms of the actual what you actually, you're not disturbing too much off the rubber, or the soft plastic, should I say. So anything else in terms of what you want, or how do you this, or what do you weigh, do I do that, just ask in the comments. And yeah, so I'm going to go live now, and anything else, just give me a shout. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you again soon. So top tip, saves a lot of money.